and rats. All right, I trade this a lot over in Discord. Look at the size of this massive wedge, right? Pretty good size. I ended up taking a short on this earlier. I took the bite. I got the fake out here. I got a liquidity grab, what it was, push down, push back up, and now it's going to make the real move to the downside, right? So I got stopped out up in here. I've seen a nice resistance area, and now it's going to push down. That's how it's looking anyway. It's right there. All right, now where could this thing head to, and how deep could it go? Well, first thing I do want to show you, right, Bitcoin dominance. This has a lot to do with the market. Please hit that like and subscribe, guys. I would appreciate that so much. I'm just a small YouTuber, so every bit helps for sure. All right, Bitcoin dominance could make one final push, or it's done right here. One of the two, right? It's starting to run into areas of major resistance. Okay, this is a monthly chart. You can see the closing candles. Let's zoom out here a little bit, right? Pull it over here. Zoom in, I mean. Right over here, the closing candle. Over here, you got the two closing candles on the monthly. All right, so that's a very good resistance area. And then on a weekly, when you come in here, right, we zoom right in. On the weekly, we have a closing candle here and a closing candle here. That's this yellow line right here. Okay, so if we come in on a 4 hour, you can see a rejection right off of that yellow line right there. Now, do I think it has one more push? It may be. All right, I count Elliott waves. I do it constantly, and this looks like a perfect 5 wave. It really does. You know, I'd kind of be shocked probably if it didn't. They would, you know, looks like that, something like that. Could get one more push out of this thing, and then the big fall in the alt season. All right, like, this is the finishing moves, if it's not already done. If it's not, it has one more tiny push up here towards 64.5, somewhere right around there, and then that's it. That's the end of dominance. It's going to roll over. And we're going to see a hell of a alt season start. Okay, here's for the day. This year top 100, and they're just going to explode, man. I've been here for 2 alt seasons now, and they are absolutely crazy. All right, now if we get this breakdown on rats. First, come join us in Discord, guys. If you enjoy trading, leverage trading, and stuff like that. We have 170 people in the Discord. It's only $15, and you get, once you sign up, it's a level 3 membership in the description of the video. You get 10 hours of videos to teach you how to start drawing trend lines, use Fibonacci, how to set your trading view up, everything I put in there. Over 10 hours, over 20 videos, and a link to the Discord. And then go over and sign up for Margex. There's a link in the description of the video. Awesome leverage trading site, fast charts. All you do is put your email in and a password. You get a $50 credited in your bonus account. And then what's cool is you look your promo codes up on the internet. They put them out on the internet, you know, on purpose, right? They're in Reddit columns, they're in all kinds of stuff. So for the sake of the video, I just did a Google search, Margex promo codes, right? Here's one here, gives a 20% deposit bonus. Another code can activate $100 airdrop. Look, you can go down through here. Here's MF15 to receive a 15% deposit bonus. So if you put $1,000 in there, you get 150 as a bonus in your account. And these, all you do is go in your wallet on your site, and it says add promo codes in there. It's easy. You just put them right in. Here's one here for 20% off. Down through here, there's $200 worth of them down here. 40, yeah, here. Claim up to $200 in bonuses, discounted trading. Yeah, great site, man. I like them a lot. And please, I'd appreciate it so much if you use the link in the description of the video. Helps the channel out, you know. And and go check them out. You know, what's the worst that can happen? I like them. I love fast charts. I use them a lot, and I use Bitfinex a lot, and Weeks. I'm three, but really, really like these guys. All right, so let's get back over here to rats. See if that we gave it enough time to break down yet. Getting there, getting there. It's so close. Once it loses this area right here at point zero, 0.02278, I think that is. Yeah, it's gonna really crash over. It's already poking holes, you know, in the support line here. And what's crazy is, you quite honestly, you know, you have another line back, you know, back in through here, but you'd have to move this bottom too, you know, right back up here. So there, and then right about there. Okay, you have there's a line there too, a support line, which it has broken that one. All right, now if we get the drop to the downside, how low could this go? Well, if you take the measured move right here, that crooked line here, take the measurement of the wedge, right, and straighten her out best we can, right, about like that. Put it on here, put it on the breakdown area. Where could that put you? Well, that would say right about there, right? Did I put it on there? Did I click it? Must not have. Pull this over. Right, that says somewhere right around there, okay? Now, if we take what I believe is going on here, okay, what I think is going on, not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor, please do your own research with all that stuff, okay? Is a 5-weight that moved down in here. I don't know why what's going on here with my charts here, but it looks like a 5-wave down to me, right? Which this would be the 5th wave here, and it would put you down in this area, 0.015, 0.016, right around there. Now, it say that it reverses here and breaks to the upside, right? Then you would see it up around 3 cents, 3.1, right around that area. But personally, I think it's more likely coming breaking down. My opinion, that's it. But if you see a run down, you know, this is a big trade here, man. 1,000 rats on leverage. It's crazy. You can make some really nice money. Just in this little move right here, I was up 70%. You know, so if I had $1,000 on it, I was up $700 just in this little move right here. That's what leverage can do for you. All right, I'm going to get over there into my site, see if I can get this trade again. Sign up for that level 3, guys. Please go check Margex out. You'll love it. I will talk to you very soon. Have a great day.